Good afternoon, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and this is a follow-up video on my Hutsuls whittling knife. If you watch the other video, you can get a better review of it, but I felt the handle was just a little too wide for my taste, so I grabbed a rasp and I filed it down. So I thought I'd just make a quick review to show you what it looks like. So this is the original finish on the side, and then that's what the wood looks like underneath, and maybe it really is walnut. I don't know. That's what it says on the box. Anyway, that's just a quick shot at how it looks. I kind of like the feel better. It was a little too wide for my. It is pretty narrow in this dimension. You can see I didn't take anything off the sides, but it's feels a lot better to me now. Pretty happy with it. I left it the full length, about 5 inches. Just in case you were curious, that's what it looks like with the handle shaved down. We'll catch you later.